and thank you for joining us. Today, we're here to talk about a place central to all of our lives, the smart home. The smart home and smart home products are central to our daily lives, whether you're watching something on your TV, or listening some music on your Neon home, or just using the internet with Neon AirNet. The smart home is a central part of our daily lives, and Neon products integrate incredibly well with smart home devices, thanks to Matter. And this year, smart home intelligence gets taken to a whole new level with Neon Intelligence. Today, we're taking the smart home to the next level with our smart home products, integration, and intelligence. We have some huge updates across all of our smart home devices: Neon TV, Neon AirNet, and Neon Home. Let's start with Neon TV. Neon TV is in a class of its own, with its integration with mediaOS and the advanced Neon silicon that powers the experience. Last year, we introduced 3 new Neon TV models that took a big leap forward in performance and capabilities. Today, we have some big upgrades to Neon TV 4K and Neon TV 8K, starting with Neon TV 8K. Neon TV 8K made history last year as it was the first and still is the only 8K streaming player, and it is still the most advanced and most powerful streaming player in the world. And with mediaOS 3 and Neon Intelligence, it gets even better. Today, we're dethroning Neon TV 8K with a new model that's more powerful, more capable, and more intelligent. Introducing the new Neon TV 8K. It's in a class of its own, and it starts with its performance. Performance on Neon TV matters more than ever for Neon Intelligence, as it requires high-performance compute, memory bandwidth, and energy efficiency. So with the new Neon TV 8K, we're bringing the screamingly powerful P3 Athena chip. That's right, this is the same P3 Athena from Neon Dream 7. It's built on a new 4th generation 3nm process, delivering even greater performance and density. P3 Athena features a new memory subsystem with a wider memory interface and 20% higher memory bandwidth than P2 Aries. Combined with 16GB of unified memory, 33% more than before, perfect for generative models. P3 Athena features a super fast 12-core CPU with 4 performance and 8 efficiency cores, delivering 35% faster performance than before, and up to 2.3 times faster than Neon TV 4K. For comparison, an Xbox Series S still struggles to keep up with P1, and P3 Athena is now 2 times faster, making it the fastest TV CPU. P3 Athena also features a redesigned 12-core GPU for 65% faster performance than before, and 2 times faster than Neon TV 4K. And it gets 85% of the GPU performance to that Xbox Series S in a package much smaller and more efficient, making it the fastest TV GPU. But the big news with P3 Athena is the NPU, which is designed for on-device AI workloads like Neon Intelligence. P3 Athena features an NPU unlike any other, with 32 cores that delivers a mind-blowing 128 trillion operations a second. That's 7.5 times faster than before and 25 times faster than Neon TV 4K. And compared to the fastest competitive NPU in a PC chip, P3 Athena is 2.5 times faster, making it the fastest NPU in the world, with nothing even coming close. P3 Athena is a giant leap forward for Neon TV 8K, and P3 Athena is what powers Neon Intelligence. Neon Intelligence on Neon TV 8K makes your smart TV truly smart. On Neon TV, it all stems down to Maven. Maven has personal context understanding, on-screen awareness, and can perform multi-app actions. Plus, it has access to world knowledge with GPT-5, Gemini, and Claude. It all starts with actor recognition, where Maven can analyze which actor is which in each scene. So for Severance, you can ask, who plays Milchick? What else does he play? Add Mission Impossible to my watch list. This is all cross-compatible with any streaming service as it relies on Maven's on-screen awareness. In addition, Maven has scene recognition, so it can identify the current scene and what's happening. So in Deadpool and Wolverine, you can ask things like, why is he so short? And Maven will tap into Gemini to answer that for you. Maven also has music recognition, where it can identify the show or movie's soundtrack and identify the exact song playing. So, when you're watching K-pop Demon Hunters, you can ask, what song is this? Add it to my library. And it'll even add it to your most used music service based on your history. In addition, we're also introducing Quick Play, where without even needing to touch an app, you can resume or play a movie or show. In fact, you can be as vague as resume that one movie on Prime Video. And this even works with YouTube videos. You can simply ask, play a good video from Mr. Who's the Boss. Maven on Neon TV is a total game changer, but what's even more of a literal game changer is Hyperframe. Hyperframe generates frames in your video games, which will improve your game's frame rate drastically. In Cyberpunk 2077, you can already get an impressive 60 FPS at 1080p, but with Hyperframe, you can get 90 FPS now. And this works without developer modification. Hyperframe is quite literally a game changer. Neon Intelligence and P3 Athena take Neon TV 8K to the next level. In addition, video output on Neon TV 8K takes a giant leap forward. With Neon TV 8K, it already features HDMI 2.1, which allows for 8K 60 or 4K 240 display output. But now, Neon TV 8K supports HDMI 2.2. This is the first ever HDMI 2.2 device in the world, and that means it can support 8K 240 display output. That's 4 times smoother than the 8K 60 with HDMI 2.1, and this is possible thanks to HDMI 2.2 and the new display engine in P3 Athena. HDMI 2.2 makes Neon TV 8K incredibly future-proof. In addition, the rest of the I/O gets even better. Now, it features a dedicated DC port, leaving your USB-C port free for other accessories, along with HDMI 2.2 and Ethernet. And that Ethernet port also has been upgraded to be 2.5 gigs now, which is 2.5 times faster than the gigabit Ethernet of before. And on the topic of internet, Neon TV 8K takes wireless to even further with W1, Neon's first custom Wi-Fi chip, and it's the most power-efficient Wi-Fi chip of any Neon product. We introduced W1 with Neon Dream 7, and in Neon TV 8K, it makes it the most power-efficient Wi-Fi 7 chip of any TV streaming box, while delivering full Wi-Fi 7 speeds. W1 takes wireless on Neon TV 8K to the next level. In addition, we're updating the Neon TV remote with better button icons. And of course, Neon TV 8K comes with mediaOS 3 with the new quick resume home screen, tap to play, and support for Nintendo Switch 2 controllers. And that's Neon TV 8K, now with P3 Athena, Neon Intelligence, HDMI 2.2 with 8K 240, Neon W1 Wi-Fi chip, and mediaOS 3. Next, let's talk about Neon TV 4K. Neon TV 4K is the perfect Neon TV for most people, and today it gets taken even further with P1. P1 makes Neon TV 4K up to 2 times faster than before, and thanks to its 12 gigabytes of unified memory and 16-core NPU, Neon TV 4K now supports Neon Intelligence. So you can ask Maven, resume that one movie on Prime Video. And now, HDMI display output has been upgraded to support 4K at 240Hz, which is twice as smooth as before. And it also gains the W1 chip from Neon TV 8K and Neon Dream 7 as well, making it the most power-efficient Wi-Fi 7 chip of any TV box. Neon TV 8K now has the option of 512 gigs of storage, and it still starts at $199 for 128 gigs. And Neon TV 4K is priced at $129 with 128 gigs as standard now. And they both join Neon TV Mini starting at just $49. Orders for the new Neon TV 8K and Neon TV 4K begin today, and they'll both be available this coming Friday. That's Neon TV. Next, let's talk about Neon AirNet. Neon AirNet is a phenomenal Wi-Fi router. It was the first compact Wi-Fi 7 router when we introduced it in 2023, and it's designed to deeply integrate with your favorite Neon devices. Today, we're excited to introduce a big new update. Introducing Neon AirNet 2. AirNet 2 is the central device with the smart home, and it begins with the Wi-Fi performance. It gets 2,200 square feet of coverage, and that's thanks to AirNet 2 using the Neon W1 Wi-Fi chip now. With W1, it enables something incredibly innovative. It's called AirBeam. Now that we have multiple devices with W1, each W1 device can now transmit their connection to other W1 devices without any degradation in reliability. In fact, this is designed to improve connection from device to device. W1 in AirNet 2 unlocks exciting new capabilities. It also enables amazing efficiency. In fact, AirNet 2 is the most power-efficient Wi-Fi 7 router in the world. Not only does AirNet 2 feature incredible Wi-Fi performance, it also has advanced intelligence. In addition to W1, AirNet 2 comes with a WR3 SIP from Neon Watch. WR3 has a powerful 6-core NPU, which enables buffer reduction. Buffer reduction analyzes and resolves problems in real time, which results in a staggering 90% reduction in buffering, all enabled by the power of WR3. Neon AirNet 2 is also incredibly easy to set up and manage with one-touch pairing. And we also have a new Neon AirNet app that allows you to prioritize the connection to certain devices on your network. In addition, AirNet 2 integrates with your other devices with Matter, meaning it can work with Apple Home, Google Nest, SmartThings, Amazon Alexa, or any other Matter-compatible platform. In addition to Matter, AirNet 2 supports Thread, which allows AirNet 2 to act as a Matter hub. By simply connecting your smart home accessories to the network, you can convert any non-Matter-enabled accessories to work with Matter. So, from smart bulbs, thermostats, or security cameras, you can convert any one of them to work with Matter. On the back, AirNet 2 has 2 Ethernet ports, one to connect to your network, along with a USB-C port and an audio jack. The USB-C port and audio jack enables AirNet 2 to connect to speakers and other accessories to make them Wi-Fi enabled. So speakers, printers, cameras, or whatever else you want to connect, you can make it Wi-Fi enabled. All in all, AirNet 2 is the heart of your smart home. And that's Neon AirNet 2, with W1 and WR3, Wi-Fi 7, AirBeam, Matter, Thread, Advanced Management, all packed into the most efficient Wi-Fi 7 router in the world. AirNet 2 is an incredibly powerful Wi-Fi router. AirNet 2 comes in 1, 2, or 3 packs, and even with all of these upgrades, AirNet 2 still starts at just $199 for a 1-pack, $299 for a 2-pack, and a 3-pack is $399. You can order AirNet 2 today, and it will be available this coming Friday. That's Neon AirNet 2. Now let's talk about Neon Home. Neon Home is the ultimate smart speaker. Earlier this year, we announced Neon Home Studio 2, the most advanced smart speaker in the world. And Neon Home and Neon Home Mini deliver exceptional sound and features at incredible values. And altogether, the Neon Home lineup delivers amazing sound and capabilities while integrating into your smart home very deeply. So how are we going to take this further? Well, today is going to be the biggest day for Neon Home since its introduction, and it starts with the next generation of Neon Home. Neon Home 3 takes the smart home to the next level. It starts with its new design. Neon Home 3 has been made even bigger to accommodate for better sound. And on the outside, Neon Home 3 is now lined with fabric. This allows for better sound pass-through and a more refined sound signature. So now let's talk about this amazing new sound system. Neon Home 3 now has 6 tweeters and a 3.5-inch high excursion woofer. Altogether, this allows for 50% better sound quality than Neon Home 2 and 2 times deeper bass. In addition, Neon Home 3 refines the sound quality even further. On the bottom, we've added time-of-flight sensors and flood illuminators to enable audio ray tracing, the same technology we use with Neon Glass and Neon Headset. These sensors analyze your room's acoustic properties and finally tunes the audio to the materials of the surface that Neon Home 3 is placed on. This allows for a much more refined sound profile. This makes Neon Home 3 the most refined sound profile of any Neon Home. In addition, Neon Home 3 comes with 3 new chips, starting with WR3 from Neon Watch and Neon AirNet 2. The 6-core NPU in WR3 is what enables audio ray tracing on Neon Home 3. In addition, we've made a new audio chip called O3 Pro. O3 Pro has 56 audio cores now, and it supports the latest Bluetooth 6.1. And just like Neon Dream 7, Neon TV, and Neon AirNet 2, Neon Home 3 comes with W1, meaning it's compatible with AirBeam, so it can transmit its connection from and to other W1 devices. And W1 enables wireless lossless audio with Apple AirPlay 2 or Google Cast. And via wired connection, you can use USB-C or a high-impedance audio jack to get low-latency lossless audio pass-through. And of course, Neon Home 3 comes with mediaOS 3, which includes Now Playing when connected to a Neon TV, and Tap to Play with UWB. And it features our Neon as your voice assistant. And that's Neon Home 3, with a new fabric design, 6 tweeters with 50% better sound quality, audio ray tracing, lossless audio, O3 Pro, and W1, and mediaOS 3. Neon Home 3 is a big leap forward. It comes in white and black colors, and even with all these improvements, Neon Home 3 is still priced at $229. You can order it today, and it'll be available this coming Friday. And it joins the affordable Neon Home Mini 2 at $99 and the amazing Neon Home Studio 2 at $449. So that's Neon Home 3. But we're not done yet. You've seen all 3 of our smart home products each take a big leap forward. But what if we combine the best of all of these products into one device? Well, that led us into building the ultimate smart home device, and it's absolutely amazing. Introducing Neon Home Hub. Neon Home Hub is a device unlike any other smart home device. It's our most versatile, most capable, and most intelligent smart home device ever. We'll talk about its capabilities, its beautiful design, and the technologies that brings it all together. Let's start with its capabilities. Neon Home Hub is designed to integrate deeply into your smart home accessories with Matter, and thanks to AirNet 2, you can even use non-Matter accessories, and it's all controlled with Neon Intelligence. This is the first Neon Home with Neon Intelligence and our powerful assistant, Maven, which has full support for Matter, so you can ask Maven to turn off the living room lights. In addition, Neon Home Hub is designed to be a home entertainment device with support for the Neon TV app. So you can watch content from YouTube, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, HBO Max, and more. And you can use Maven to easily access this content. For example, you can simply ask, play the newest episode of The Amazing Digital Circus. And Neon Home Hub is amazing for when you're on a video call. You can use services like Zoom, Google Meet, and FaceTime on the web. And you can use the built-in camera and microphones to talk to your family members. With these three capabilities, Neon Home Hub is truly three separate smart home devices packed into one. Next, let's talk about the design. Neon Home Hub is incredibly beautiful, with a polycarbonate frame housing the sound system with perforated holes. And this design is incredibly versatile. It features a rechargeable battery with a magnetic back. This magnetic back is designed to accommodate two mounting options. The first is a magnetic charging stand. It's a tilt-adjustable metal stand that can charge Neon Home Hub at the same time. And the second is a magnetic charging wall mount. It's designed to be mounted on your wall, and Neon Home Hub can just snap onto the wall mount and charge very easily. To preserve battery health, Neon Home Hub will automatically pause charging at 80% and resume charging at 20%. This maximizes battery efficiency very well. With these mounting capabilities, this makes Neon Home Hub by far the most versatile smart home device ever. And Neon Home Hub will be available in both white and black colors with matching stands. Now let's talk about the technologies that make Neon Home Hub work. It starts with a beautiful display. It's a large 7.5-inch display, the biggest ever on a Neon Home, and it's a crystal optic display with 1.7 million pixels, 500 nits of brightness, and 8-bit color. So it's great for watching many forms of content in your home. Quite simply, it's the best display ever on a smart home hub. Now let's talk about the camera. Neon Home Hub comes with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the ultra-wide lens enables something called Smart Frame. Thanks to the super-wide lens, it includes everyone in the shot. But more than that, it can automatically pan to include new subjects in the shot as well, so everyone gets their own stage time. This is an amazing camera, and we're calling it a 12-megapixel smart frame camera. In addition, the sound system on Neon Home Hub is very good, with two full-range drivers and dual passive radiators, compacted down into our thinnest Neon Home body yet. But in terms of sound quality, despite being so much thinner, it actually delivers similar sound to Neon Home Mini 2, which is amazing for all the technologies it packs. Of course, powering Neon Home Hub is Neon Silicon. To deliver the advanced capabilities with Neon Intelligence, Neon Home Hub needed serious power. And that's why Neon Home Hub comes with the Neon C3 chip, the same chip found in Neon Glass Series 3. C3 has a 5-core CPU, a 4-core GPU, and most importantly, an 8-core NPU with 8 GB of unified memory. This is what enables the on-device generative models of Neon Intelligence to run super fast. In addition, Neon Home Hub comes with a super powerful audio chip, O3 Max. O3 Max has a staggering 96 audio cores, which enables super fast and powerful computational audio on Neon Home Hub. And of course, Neon Home Hub comes with W1, enabling the same AirBeam feature made possible by Neon AirNet 2. W1 is also what powers lossless audio with AirPlay 2 and Google Cast. And Neon Home Hub comes with mediaOS 3, completely redesigned from the ground up for Neon Home Hub. It features easy access widgets and apps designed for the home experience. mediaOS 3 for Neon Home Hub is based on Android 16 and will get updates alongside Neon TV and other Neon Home devices. And Neon Home Hub comes with Neon Intelligence, being the first Neon Home to come with Neon Intelligence. And thanks to its powerful capabilities, Maven is one of the main key points of input with Neon Home Hub, as you can simply ask things like, play the newest episode of The Amazing Digital Circus. With Neon Intelligence, Neon Home Hub truly becomes the ultimate smart home device. and that's Neon Home Hub, with a versatile design designed for controlling and complementing the smart home perfectly. With Neon intelligence, great sound quality, and a great display, 12 megapixel smart frame camera, deep integration with Matter, and powered by advanced Neon Silicon and mediaOS 3. It's truly the best device for the smart home. Neon Home Hub will be priced at $399, and it will be available in early 2026. And this truly completes our Neon Home lineup, with Neon Home Mini 2 at $99, Neon Home 3 at $229, Neon Home Hub at $399, and Neon Home Studio 2 at $449. Truly making today the biggest day for Neon Home since its introduction. So that's Neon Home. What a big day of announcements. The new Neon TV 8K and Neon TV 4K, now more powerful than ever and built for Neon intelligence. Neon AirNet 2, now more intelligent and more advanced than ever with a powerful W1 chip. Neon Home 3 with a new design, improved sound, audio ray tracing, and advanced computational audio with O3 Pro and WR3. And Neon Home Hub, the ultimate smart home device with Neon Intelligence, a beautiful new display, a powerful 12 megapixel smart frame camera, and deep integration with your smart home accessories and experience. Neon Home Hub is truly the most advanced smart home device we've ever made. With the advanced power of our new W1 Wi-Fi chip, to the powerful features of Neon Intelligence, to the innovations in standards like Matter and Thread, it truly is the biggest day for the Neon Smart Home ever. We can't wait for you to experience these amazing new products in your home. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.